What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform from where you can generate the best return. It's a perfect opportunity to jump in. And I'm sure when you study that, you will be surprised to see the potential inside because I briefly studied that and each and everything is white paper, it's contract, where it's a listing. So each and everything is perfect. So after a very long time, I saw the project like this. So still plenty of days left, 2 days and 22 hours and 38 minutes. So plenty of time left, and it's a perfect opportunity to jump in and join this. And I'm sure it's a perfect idea to join this project right now. So here's the detail given. The name of this project is 𝐒𝐂𝐈𝐄𝐃. So I will provide you all the detail, and please don't miss any part of this project because in next 10 minutes I will guide you how you can join that. So few best information for you. You can see here. So public launch is in 30th of November and 18 GMT. And next free airdrop for my community. And how much? 1,040. And next you can see the airdrops for those investors who join early. So it's a perfect way to join right now. You can get free airdrops and make a huge amount of return from there. So as investor will invest, the value of this coin will pump up. So I'm sure it will jump up very soon. So all the details given, and please watch that carefully, and only 10 minutes I will guide you all the details. Welcome to the 𝐒𝐂𝐈𝐄𝐃. So the beginning a new DeFi ecosystem that generate daily yield through its components. This is just a phase 1 of ecosystem. Join now and milk the market with confidence. So I told you the details here, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see more information like its launchpad and benefit of joining the farm. So what kind of benefit you can get from here? So it's my responsibility to inform you all the details, all the benefits, and what kind of benefits you can generate from here. So here's the detail given. Okay, these things are inspired me to introduce this platform because there are a huge amount of potential inside, and you can get all the benefits in a single platform. That's why it's special for you. So daily passive income. So first you can get daily passive income. Participate in 𝐒𝐂𝐈𝐄𝐃 project have opportunity to earn a daily ROI staking their USDT mint for the token to passive income model allows user to benefit from the project and success without actively engaging in a day-to-day operations. And next, consistent daily return provides the reliable sources of the income for the participant. So it's a perfect idea. Next you can see Highland Cattle Charity Sport. So इसकी detail भी आपको given है. Next you can see आप देख सकते हैं transition to mobile gaming. So 𝐒𝐂𝐈𝐄𝐃 has the vision to evolve into the mobile earn to play games, offering a dynamic and inclusive participate. So आप यहाँ से भी काफ़ी कुछ जो है generate कर सकते हैं. So plenty of options are available. I already told you it's a massive amount of return you can generate from here. Okay, if you see further, it's a community and governance. So here's a detail given. Joining the 𝐒𝐂𝐈𝐄𝐃 project mean becoming the part of our vibrant and supportive community. Participate have the opportunity to activate to contribute to the project development and decision making process through governance and mechanism. So this seems a community involvement not only the foster or strong bond among the participants, but also gives them a voice in shaping in the future direction of the project. So no doubt about that, because when you join this, so the future of this project can be brightful. So I hope so and wish them best of luck. So here's the stated project launch and airdrop. You can see deploy the 𝐒𝐂𝐈𝐄𝐃 and smart contracting and launch project website. Next, reaching 250 members in our Telegram community, launch social media channels and form of community. So all the details are given what they want to achieve now. So we are trying our best to support them. So stage 2 launch of 𝐒𝐂𝐂 liquidity pools. तो यहाँ पे इसकी information भी आपको अवेलेबल है, आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. इंट्रोड्यूस द फार्म सेकेंड लेयर ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि पार्टिसिपेंट किस तरह लिक्विडिटी को अभी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे इनेबल यूजर्स टू स्टेक LP टोकन इन द फुली फार्म, एंड ये भी आपको एडिशनल रिवॉर्ड यहाँ से मिल सकता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेज 3 पे है, आप देख सकते हैं एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द फॉर्म एडिशनल टोकन मिंटिंग. तो यहाँ से आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इंट्रोड्यूस द minting of different tokens within the for the farm and creating additional opportunity for participants to engage with the project. And next, collaborate with well-known crypto project that inclusion their tokens and for the farm, and launching contest investors to receive airdrop from each token, and that will be launched. So the perfect opportunity here. Next, guys, stage 4, NFT minting and marketplace. So here's the detail given. Develop functionality and participants mint for the 𝐒𝐂𝐂 NFT using the accumulated for the tokens. And next आप देख सकते हैं कि implement and royalties system to reward the artists and participants in transactions. So all the details that's given from here, you can watch that easily. नेक्स्ट गाइज फेज 5 में आप देख सकते हैं इकोसिस्टम एंड इन्हांसमेंट की डिटेल आपको अवेलेबल है. यू कैन इजीली गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. स्टेज 6 में आप देख सकते हैं अनाउंसिंग आवर अर्न टू प्ले मोबाइल गेम. सो दे विल अनाउंस देयर गेम्स आल्सो वेरी सून. So this will be rewarded reaching a milestone and be a big surprise for our community. So this will be a perfect surprise for the community. So please keep in touch with them, and I'm sure when you join the community you will be updated with upcoming news also, and you will be satisfied to see the details, because lots of discussion will be going on in the project. And it's early stage, guys, so as time goes further, so it will pumped up automatically. So here's the detail given, guys. Home contact, white paper. So it's very important to study the white paper. Please don't miss that part of project, because it's very important, because all the news, all the details, all the information related project will be there. So I'll post the white paper link in the description also. You can get more information from there also. So here you can see get started details also available. And here's information. It's very important to tell you. Start getting USD into your MetaMask wallet on Binance Smart Chain. Number 1. You can see enter USDT into the 𝐒𝐂𝐂 and earn daily staking reward for the token 5% per day, and you can claim your 𝐒𝐂𝐂 rewards at any time, and you cannot unstake your USDT. So next, you will earn 𝐒𝐂𝐂 as a percentage of USDT invested in, irrespective of 𝐒𝐂𝐂's price. And next, you can see if you invest 100 USDT, you will receive 5 for the 𝐒𝐂𝐂s per day. So it's perfect. And next, you can see you have two options with your 𝐒𝐂𝐂s. You can sell them for USDT or stake them to earn more 𝐒𝐂𝐂s, 8% per day. 𝐒𝐂𝐂 staking is locked for 7 days. So keep in mind, it's for 7 days if you stake. And if you stake, it's the best opportunity, because you can get how much 𝐒𝐂𝐂s in a day, and you can get 8% per day. So it's a perfect idea. Next, आप देख सकते हैं terminology. So here's the detail. Total supply, the maximum amount of the 𝐒𝐂𝐂 that can be exist. So circulating supply, the number of 𝐒𝐂𝐂s currently in wallet, and available supply, total supply, circulating supply, 𝐒𝐂𝐂 price, total USDT balance, available supply, mint 𝐒𝐂𝐂 as you claim 𝐒𝐂𝐂s from minting. So it is removed from the available supply and added to the circulating supply. So it's perfect. Next, अगर आप चले जाएं तो sell 𝐒𝐂𝐂s. So as you sell a 𝐒𝐂𝐂s, so it's removed from your circulating supply. So keep in mind, and added to your available supply. So this is the process that you have to understand. Airdrops, here's the detail of airdrops. A total of 2,000 𝐶𝐶 will be managed to challenge on our website. A total of 𝐒𝐿 will be used for the launch airdrops. So airdrops for 15 calls for the 500 people to join our announcement channel and provide the screenshot fast and come fast, serve fast. So this is the best idea, and this is the best news. When you jumped in first, you will be rewarded first. So airdrops of 5 calls for following us in Twitter. So wow, it's the best opportunity to join the Twitter and get 5 calls so as airdrop, and airdrop of 10 calls for retweeting our pinned tweet. Okay, and next you can see airdrop 300 calls everyone who make a YouTube video about your project and provides a screenshot to first, come first and serve. So perfect potential and a perfect opportunity and a massive reward from here. You can get and team and goal. So here's the team and what kind of goal they have in their mind. So all the details is here. You can get more information. So if you have any question here guys, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं why is the project anonymous. तो यहाँ पे इतना anonymous project क्यों है, तो यहाँ पे इसकी detail भी आपको provide है. You can get more information from here. Here's the tokenomics detail guys. Total supply, maximum supply for the cows that exist, that is fixed at 12000000. Circulating supply, total supply. I told you all the detail before also, and here you can see all the details is given. So this is a detail about white paper, and that's why I'm telling you that white paper is the perfect way to understand each and everything. So in the next process I will tell you, hold on a bit, it's a launch pad. So here is the launch pad. So let's see कि इसमें आपको कौन सी information मिल सकती है. It's very important. So first guys, आपने क्या करना है, welcome to the trust wallet. So you have to create your wallet first. Start first new wallet, import recover wallet. तो यहाँ से आप अपना पहले वैलेट को आप कनेक्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद जो है आप सारा आपका प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा. यहाँ पे आप एड्रेस उठाएंगे, you will copy the address, go your wallet, and you can easily by connecting your wallet, and you can easily buy from there. It's the best opportunity and very easy way to buy that. Next, contract guys. So contractors available, and let's see. So here's the detail given. You can copy the address. Here's the address available. You can easily copy this address and paste in your trust wallet. तो यहाँ वहाँ से जाके आप जो है easy तरीके से आप इसको buy भी कर सकते हैं. Even you can stake. So multiple options are available for you. And next you can see guys BNB balance, BNB values. So all the details यहाँ पे आपको given है. I'm sure कि आप इसको easy तरीके से understand कर जाएंगे. Okay, I provide you all the details, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. Okay guys, let's start the proceeding. Here you can see the details. First you have to connect your wallet. So it's very important to connect your wallet. So let's see how you can connect that. So I will connect my MetaMask. So it will take a bit time, and here you can see I will click on next, and after that connect. So it's easily connected. So it's a simple process. Here you can see the address available. We're going to live in. So plenty of time left. Also here you can see price detail, we'll see circulating supply and available supply. So each and everything is very clean and clear and in front of your face. So here's the detail. I already told you mint with the cow, so easy आप mint कर सकते हैं. It's availability here. And next आप यहाँ पे अपनी amount दे सकते हैं. You post your amount here and approve that, and you can enter your amount, and it's depend on you how much amount you want to invest in. You can add your token to your wallet. So it's simple process when you connect your MetaMask, so you can easily move the tokens to your wallet. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि स्टेक विद 𝐒𝐂, तो आप इसी तरीके से ये भी अवेलेबिलिटी है कि आप इसी तरीके से इससे यहाँ से स्टेक भी कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट अवेलेबिलिटी APR 29-20%. So next आप देख सकते हैं sell. If you want to sell, so here's option is available, but I prefer that you should stake that. It's a perfect way. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं आप इजी तरीके से सेल कर सकते हैं. 40,000 तक आप सेल कर सकते हैं इन अ डे. तो इसी दिन में आप सेल कर सकते हैं. सो एयर ड्रॉप्स की डिटेल आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है एयर ड्रॉप के बारे में भी इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, डिफरेंट चैलेंज और नेक्स्ट चैलेंज 2 एंड नेक्स्ट चैलेंज 3. सो दिस 3 चैलेंजेस. तो यहाँ आप इजी तरीके से कितना अर्न ले सकते हैं जिसमें आप 10,000 USDT स्टेक कर सकते हैं. So here's my link available. I will post a link in description, and thank you so much if you use my link, because I can generate some kind of commission and refer reward also. So this is the detail about that, and this is the process how you can join and how you can buy or stake or sell. It's all open. All options are here. ओके यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि सपोज आप कितनी अमाउंट लगाना चाहते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट विद 1,000 और $10,000, तो यहाँ पे आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ आप ले सकते हैं कि कितनी अमाउंट आपने डालनी है. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं मिनिमम जो है $10 है. ऐड टोकन टू योर वैलेट. सो सिंपल. तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से ऐड टोकन कर सकते हैं जो कि शो होगा. लेट मी शो यू. हियर यू कैन सी हियर माय मेटामास्क एंड नेक्स्ट. आप यहाँ इजी से यहाँ पर देख सकेंगे कि आपके पास कितने फुजी टोकन अवेलेबल हैं. इट्स अप टू यू. So perfect way. I told you all the details. If there is something missing, you can join me in the comment section, guys. I will provide you all the details. So wish you best of luck, and this is all over about this project, and I'm sure you can easily buy from here. So we will meet our next video, guys, and please don't miss the details. So wish you best of luck.